Hybrid tutorial videos for users. Cleaning. It is strongly recommended to clean every day the coffee circuit of every brewing group, the milk frother, as well as the filter baskets and the filter holders. This is very helpful to ensure the best possible performance consistency and coffee quality, as well as to ensure the reliability of machine functions. Washing. Coffee group. At least once a day, or every time the preset alarm warns the user, you have to clean the brewing group. The postpone icon allows the user to postpone the cleaning 2 times for 15 minutes. You need a package of approved cleaning chemical and the blank filter holder that is already included in the package of the hybrid. Only powders and cleaning solutions approved by Astoria can be used. Tablets should never be used. Select the icon Menu on the touchscreen display. Select the icon Wash. Select the icon Washing Coffee Group. Start the cycle. Remove the filter handle from the dispensing group, as shown on the display. Take the blind filter holder that is always supplied with the machine. Pour the specific detergent. Insert the filter handle into the dispenser group. The cleaning cycle will start. The cleaning cycle lasts approximately 2 minutes. When the group washing cycle is finished, remove the filter handle. Empty it and clean it, and take again the normal filter holder, only the single spout handle, reinsert it, and the rinse cycle will start. When the rinse cycle is finished, extract the filter holder and rinse it. Touch the OK icon. The machine is now ready for normal operation. Washing. Milk frother. You need a package of approved cleaning chemicals and the washing container that is supplied with the machine. Select the menu icon on the touchscreen display. Select the wash icon. Select the washing milk frother icon. Select the OK icon to start the cleaning cycle. Remove the milk suction tube from the milk container and reconnect it to the cleaning container. Put the milk container into the fridge. Open the cleaning container and pour about 20 to 30 milliliters of liquid chemical into the container. Close the container. Touch the OK icon to prompt the start of the cycle. The machine fills up autonomously the container with hot water. When the container is filled up, the system is thoroughly cleaned up by the solution and discharged through 2 spouts. When the washing cycle is finished, open the container and rinse it. Touch the OK icon. Put the container again in place without any water inside. Select the OK icon to start the rinse cycle. The machine fills up autonomously the container with hot water again. The system carefully rinses itself entirely, including the milk pump. When the rinse cycle is finished, select the OK icon. The machine is now ready for normal operation. Washing. Auto steamer wand. You need a package of approved cleaning chemicals and a mug with at least 1 liter capacity. Pour 20 milliliters of approved liquid detergent into the mug. Then pour half a liter of water, or 0.1 US gallons, into the mug. Do not fill the container up completely, otherwise the cleaning liquid will overflow. Put the auto steamer wand inside the container. Select the menu icon on the touchscreen display. Select the wash icon. Select the washing auto steamer icon. Select the OK icon to start the cleaning cycle. The wand emits steam and air to clean the wand and the tip. The cleaning cycle stops automatically. After the cleaning cycle is over, rinse the container. Pour half a liter or 0.1 US gallons of fresh water. Reinsert the auto steamer wand into the mug. Select the OK icon to start the rinse cycle. The wand emits steam and air to rinse the wand and the tip. When the rinse cycle is finished, take away the mug and select the OK icon. The machine is now ready for normal operation. The auto steamer icons have become red, and it means you cannot use the auto steamer again until it has cooled down. Cleaning of filter holders and filter baskets. You need a package of specific detergent, a scoop, and a container big enough to contain all the filter holders and 2 liters or 0.5 US gallons of water. Remove the filter handle from the machine. Disassemble all the filter baskets from the group handles with a strong movement on their rim. Put the filter handles and the filter baskets in a large container. Pour around 4 scoops of cleaning chemical. Pour 2 liters or 0.5 US gallons of water, preferably hot water. Allow to soak until all residue is removed, generally for a couple of hours, but preferably overnight. Rinse filter holder and filter baskets with fresh water. Reassemble the filter baskets into the filter handles. Reinsert the filter handles into the machine.